What is the best fertilizer for the blush Nandina? I use Miracle-Gro with a little Epsom salt. I noticed I had a lot of leaves dropping, and this is from Miss Barbara right here in Memphis. A little Epsom salt with her Miracle-Gro. See?
Magnesium sulfate.
Magnesium sulfate.
You need to do that if your soil test asks you to do that.
Right.
And the way you answer that question, in my opinion, is it depends on what the soil test said.
You know, that's what I was going to start out with.
It depends on what the soil test said. Don't just keep doing the same thing every year, because you're going to build up high levels of potassium.
Yeah.
Not potassium, phosphorus. Phosphorus
which
is
is
the one that's
Miracle-Gro.
most stable.
Right.
Yeah, and I don't know what the analysis of that Miracle-Gro fertilizer is.
I don't either.
But if it's the middle number is pretty high, and he's done that for a long time, if you build up a very high level of phosphorus, then it will interfere with the uptake of other nutrients, and it will make the plant look like it's dying.
Yeah.
And make it look bad.
And
So
drop leaves.
Right, drop leaves and turn yellow and all that. So I would, and magnesium sulfate, you know, that can, I guess, lower the pH because of the presence of sulfur.
Yeah,
that would be lowering the pH. And Nandina's
acid-loving shrubs.
Are they acid-loving?
They're acid-loving shrubs.
But you can get too acid.
You
when
can.
it starts to burn the soles off the bottom of your shoes, it's too acid.
You can.
You can get too acid.
Right, because I'm going back to the whole leaf dropping. Yeah, so yeah, you get too much in there. But yeah, Miracle-Gro with a little Epsom salt. Oh, I think that might be a little bit too much. Because you're right, Miracle-Gro, for the most part, has a high middle number, which is phosphorus, you know, for blooms. But yeah, I think that might be too much.
Yeah. I guess a question I would have is that I use Miracle-Gro with a little Epsom salt. How long have you done that? Do you do that every year? How much do you do it several times during the year? You know, and you may not need any phosphorus for 10 years on that spot if you've done that for a long time.
Okay.
So I would certainly get the soil check.
Get the soil check, Ms. Barbara. I would definitely go that route as well and follow it to a T. You should be just fine. Your Nandina would be just fine.
Don't guess soil test.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.